Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a card using some dies from Poppystamps. This is the tall sketch Daisies, and then also their pointed rectangle frame. I'm going to be using those, and then also some cardstock, different colored cardstock. So the first thing I want to do, I want to emboss one of the background pieces. So I cut this white card front about a 1/4 inch smaller than my card base itself, and then I am going to run this through my embossing machine. This is just an embossing folder that I've had forever. Looks like little polka dots. I'm going to run it through my Gemini Junior. So there we go. You can see how my paper is now embossed. Okay, so next I'm going to use the pointed rectangle frame, and I'm using the second to the smallest size one here. And just cut that out on some white cardstock and run it through my Gemini Junior again. So you can see I got a frame cut out, and then I'm also going to save, oops, come on, this piece right here, and then I'm also going to cut out the flowers. These are the tall sketch daisies. I'm going to cut it out once in the green cardstock and once again in the yellow. Okay, so I adhered the embossed card front onto my card base, and I ended up cutting the frame out 3 times. I'm going to glue these all together, and then I am going to take the yellow flowers, cut them off of the stem like so. Move those out of the way. And then I'm going to adhere them onto the green stem base. Okay, now that I got all the flower tops glued onto the stems, I'm going to take the frame and just kind of lay it into the middle of my card of where I'm going to want it, and just lightly kind of get an idea, trace a line in here like that, and then taking one of the inside middle pieces of the frame that I cut out, I'm just going to spray some water, and then taking some fireworks spray and dandelion, I'm just going to spray it in that corner. And then I'm just going to dry that. Okay, now that my piece is dry, I'm going to put some strong adhesive on the back of it to hold it flat again. And I'm going to adhere it right down into the center of where I created that tracing, where I traced that inside of the frame. Now taking some of the daisies, I'm going to go up and over that. I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of the frame and the flowers. Okay, so now taking this thank you stamp from the Art Deco You Are Wonderful stamp set, I'm going to ink it up with some VersaMark, and then I'm going to emboss it with some white embossing powder. Now I'm just going to take some foam circles and pop it up. like that, and now my card is completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so to my channel, and hit the like button if you like what you saw. See you next time. Bye-bye.